Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, go in Settings, then Battery, and enable the Power Saving mode. Then scroll from the top and once again here to open the Quick Settings and lower your brightness. Now go into the Quick Settings again and disable the Wi-Fi if you're not using this, as well the Bluetooth, location, personal hotspot and NFC, and make sure that you have the dark mode enabled. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.